In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change a flat tire on a car. Getting a flat tire is never a fun experience, but it's bound to happen to everyone at some point. Changing a flat tire can be a daunting task, especially if you have never done it before. But don't worry, with a little bit of knowledge and some basic tools, you can get your car back on the road in basically no time. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to change a flat tire on a car. First, find a safe location. The first step is to make sure you are in a safe location before attempting to change your tire. If possible, find a flat and level surface away from traffic. Turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Second, gather tools and spare tire. You'll need a few basic tools to change a tire. Most cars come with a jack, lug wrench, and a spare tire. Locate these tools in your car and bring them to the location of the flat tire. Third, loosen the lug nuts. Use the lug wrench to loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire. Turn them counterclockwise to loosen them, but don't remove them completely yet. Fourth, position the jack. Find the correct jacking point for your car. This is usually indicated in your car manual. Position the jack under the car and raise it until it's snug against the car. Fifth, remove the lug nuts and flat tire. Once the car is lifted, use the lug wrench to remove the lug nuts and set them aside. Remove the flat tire and set it aside as well. 6. Mount the spare tire. Line up the spare tire with the wheel studs and push it onto the hub. Replace the lug nuts and tighten them by hand. 7. Lower the car. Use the jack to lower the car until it's resting on the ground. Tighten the lug nuts with the lug wrench in a star pattern, making sure they're snug but not overly tight. 8. Check tire pressure. Check the air pressure in the spare tire before driving. If it's too low, inflate it to the recommended pressure. 8. Check tire pressure. 9. Replace the flat tire. Put the flat tire jack and tools back into your car and drive to a tire shop or mechanic to have the tire repaired or replaced. Friends, changing the tire can be a straightforward process, but it's important to take the necessary precautions to ensure your safety. Make sure to wear visible clothing if you are changing a tire at night, and always use a jack stand if possible to prevent the car from falling. And if you're unsure about any part of the process, don't hesitate to call for roadside assistance or a professional mechanic, or watch this video again. If you have more tips about changing a flat tire, please let us know in the comment section below. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. God bless you and have a safe trip.